Hello children, welcome to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in today's class we are going to learn a new unit, that is addition. Okay ma? So children, what is addition? Yes, addition is the method of calculating the total of two or more numbers to know the sum of the numbers. Okay? So addition is the method of calculating the total of two or more numbers. Okay, the addition symbol is plus. Okay ma? So we use the plus symbol to add two numbers. Okay, so in our real life, which are the places we are using the addition is while working with money, computer and calculator, birthdays, calendars and events. Okay, so these are the places we are using addition in our daily life. Okay, and the keywords like sum, add, combine, total, every, all, in all, join, together and altogether. Okay, so these are the keywords we are using to solve the word problems. Okay ma? So these are the addition keywords we are going to use to solve the addition problem. Okay, like sum, add, combine, total, every, all, in all, join, together and altogether. Okay, in today's class we are going to add 2 and 3 digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, 2 and 3 digit numbers without regrouping. Now let us see how to add the numbers. Okay, for example, add 234 plus 123. Okay, these two numbers are 3 digit numbers, so the place values for these two numbers are ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so the first step is start with ones place digit. Okay, so you have to add the ones place value. The ones place value is, for the first number is 4 and the second number is 3, so you can get 7. And next move to tens place. So the first number, the tens place value is 3 and the second number, the tens place value is 2. So if you are adding these two numbers, you can get 5. Now move to the 100 place. So in 100, the first number the value is 2 and the second number the value is 1. So if you are adding these two numbers, you can get 3. So finally, if you are adding 234 plus 123, you can get the sum as 357. Okay children, so you have to add the numbers like this. First you have to write their place value, ones, tens and hundreds. Then according to the place values, in the ones place you have to write the ones place values, and in the tens place you have to write the tens place value for both the numbers, and in the 100 place you have to write the 100 values for both the numbers. Okay, so here the first number, the ones value is 4, and the second number, the ones place value is 3, and the tens place value for the first number is 3 and the second number is 2, and the 100 place value for the first number is 2 and the second number is 1. Okay, now children, put the addition symbol here and you have to start add from the ones place. Okay, so first add 4 plus 3, you can get 7. Then next add tens place value, 3 plus 2, you can get 5. And then next add the 100 place value, that is 2 plus 1, you can get 3. Okay, So the answer is 357. Okay. Now children, let us see some more examples related to adding numbers. Okay.
Children, listen carefully. First, we are going to see about the addition of two-digit numbers. Okay. So the first question is add 27 plus 32. Okay. So these two numbers are two-digit numbers. That means they have ones and tens. Okay. So first write the place value chart ones and tens. Okay. So in the first number the ones value is 7. So write 7 and the tens value is 2. Okay. Then the second number the ones value is 2. So write it in the ones place and the tens value is 3. So write it in the tens place. Okay. So what we want to do? Yeah, we want to add these two numbers. So the symbol for this addition is plus. Okay ma? So children, first we have to add the values in the ones place. Okay ma? We have to add the values in the ones place. Okay, this is the ones place value. We have to add it in the ones place. Okay, so 7 plus 2 how much? 7 plus 2 is, yes, keep 7 in mind. That means bigger number in mind and take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Okay. So the answer is 9. You have to write in the ones place and in the next you have to add in the tens place value. Okay. So here 2 plus 3. Okay. What do you want to do? Yeah, keep the bigger number in mind. So here the bigger number is 3. So keep 3 in mind and take 2 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. So the answer is 5. So write it in the tens place. Okay ma? So the 27 plus 32 is 59. Okay children? Now let's do one more example. 32 plus 12 plus 42. Okay? So children, all of them are two-digit number, but here 3 value is there. Okay, which number have 2 values? They are ones and tens. Okay children, so first write 32. Okay, 32. So in 32 the ones value is 2 and the tens value is 3. Okay ma? So write 2 in ones place and 3 in tens place. Okay children, write 2 in ones place and 3 in tens place. Okay, so likewise say the next number. Yeah, 12. Yeah, 2 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Now come to the third number 42. Yeah, where we want to write 2? Yes, 2 in ones place and 4 in tens place. Okay children, now what is the symbol? Addition, that means plus. Okay, so put plus here. Now what we want to do next? Yeah, add the numbers in the ones place value. Okay, all the number, add the numbers in the ones place value. Here in ones place all the numbers are equal. So first keep 2 in mind, then take 2 fingers, 2 after 3 and 4. So we can get 4 while adding these two numbers. Okay, now what do you want to do next? Yes, keep 4 in mind, then one more number is remaining. Yeah, take 2 fingers, 4 after 5 and 6. So the answer is 6. So write 6 in the ones place value. Okay, write 6 in the ones place. So here 1, 3 and 4. So which is the bigger number? 4 is the bigger number. So keep 4 in mind. Then take one finger 4 after 5. Okay. So we already add these two numbers. Remaining one number is there. So we want to add this number also. We already found 4 plus 1 is 5. Now you have to keep 5 in mind and take 3 fingers. So 5 after 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So the answer is 8. Write it in the tens place. Okay, ma'am. So the answer is 86. So therefore the 32 plus 12 plus 42 is 86. Okay, children. And now look at this word problem. The students of class 3 went on a field trip to a museum. There were 26 students from class 3A and 32 students from class 3B. How many students went to the museum in all? Okay, children. So here the keyword is in all. Okay, that means addition keyword. You want to add the numbers. So children, first you have to find how many numbers are here. Okay, here there are two numbers, that is 26 and 32. Okay, the total number of students in class 3A is 26 and the total number of students in class 3B is 32. So you have to find the total number of in 3A and 3B. Okay, children. So first you have to write the total number of class 2A is 26 and 26 students, and the total number of class 2B is 32 students. Okay, so you have to find the total number of students in class 2A and class 2B. Okay, so these two numbers are two-digit number. They have the ones place value and the tens place value. Okay, so ones and tens. So the first number, the ones value is 6 and the tens value is 2, and the second number, the ones value is 2 and the tens value is 3. Okay, so you have to add these two numbers. So what do you want to do next? Yes, add the numbers in the ones place value, that means 6 and 2. So the next step is keep the bigger number in mind. So here the bigger number is 6. Keep 6 in mind and take two fingers, 6 after 7 and 8. Okay, so write 8 in the ones place and you have to add the tens place value. Here the bigger number is 3. So keep 3 in mind and take two fingers, 3 after 4 and 5. Okay, so the total number of students in both the classes 58. Okay, so the answer is 58 students in both the classes. Okay, children. Now children, we are going to see the addition of three-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay, so the first question is add 352 plus 546. Okay, so add 352 plus 546. These two are three-digit number. So the three-digit numbers have three values. What are they? Yes, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, ma'am. So the first number 352 352. Here the ones value is 2 and the tens value is 5 and the 100 value is 3. Okay children, so you have to write here. So in 352 the ones value is 2 and the tens value is 5 and the 100 value is 3. Okay, now children find the next question. Here the ones value is 6, so you have to write it in the ones place, and the tens value is 4, so write it in the tens place, and the 100 value is 5, so write it in the 100 place. So you have to put the addition symbol. Okay, now what do you want to do next? Yes, add the numbers in the ones place value. Okay, next what do you want to do? Yeah, this is the ones place value. The next what do you want to do? Yes, keep the bigger number in mind. Here the bigger number is 6. Okay, then you have to take 2 fingers, then 6 after 7 8. Okay ma? So the ones place addition value is we got 8. Okay children, next what do you want to do? Next, yeah, you have to add the numbers in the tens place value. Okay children, so you have to keep the bigger number in mind. Here the 5 is bigger number, so you have to keep 5 in mind and take 4 fingers. So 5 after, you have to count 5 after 6 7 8 and 9. So we got the value 9 while adding 5 plus 4. So write 9 in the tens place. Okay, next what do you want to do? Yes, you have to add the values in the 100 place. Okay, so here the 5 and 3 is there. So which number is bigger? 5 is bigger, so you have to keep 5 in mind. And which number you have to take in fingers? Yes, the smaller number, that is 3. Okay ma? So 5 after 6 7 and 8. Okay, so the answer is 898. Okay ma? So if you add 352 546, you can get the 898. Okay children, now children, let's do the next question. 136 plus 342. Okay, you have to add these two numbers. These two numbers are having same digit, that is 3-digit value. You have to write first the place value chart, that means ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so children, the first number, the ones value is 6 and the tens value is 3 and the 100 value is 1. Okay, so write here the ones value is 6 and the tens value is 3 and the 100 value is 1. And for the second number, the ones value is 2 and the tens value is 4 and the 100 value is 3. Okay, ones value is 2, tens value is 4 and the 100 value is 3. Now you have to add these two numbers, so write the addition symbol. Okay ma? Now what do you want to do next? Yes, add the numbers in the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 6 and 2, isn't it? So which number is greater? 6 is greater, so you have to keep 6 in mind and take smaller number in your finger. Here the smaller number is 2. So 6 after 7 and 8. So write 8 in the ones place, and next count the values in the tens place. Okay, add the values in the tens place. The tens place values are 3 and 4. Here the greater number is 4, So you have to keep 4 in mind and take 3 in your fingers. So 4 after 5, 6 and 7. So the tens place value is 7. And next what do you want to do? Yes, add the numbers in the hundred place. 1 and 3. The bigger number is 3. So you have to keep 3 in mind and take 1 in your finger. So 3 after 4. Okay. So the answer is 478 while adding the 136 and 342. Okay. Now children, let's do some one word problem. Okay. So children, look at the example questions. Sita's cousins travelled from Madurai to Chennai by car. They travelled a distance of 130 km from Madurai to Tiruchi. Okay. They travelled the 130 km from Madurai to Tiruchi. Okay. And then a distance of 320 from Tiruchi to Chennai. Okay. Then next they travel Tiruchi to Chennai. The distance from Tiruchi to Chennai is 320. Okay. Now what is the distance from Madurai to Chennai? Okay. So they are asking the total distance they travelled from Madurai to Chennai. Okay. So what do you want to do, ma, for this question? Yes. To find the total number of distance from Madurai to Chennai, yes, you have to add these two numbers. You have to add these 2 kilometers, then you can get the total number of kilometers the Sita's cousin travelled from Madurai to Chennai. Okay. Now let us look at this. So the Sita's cousins travelled from Madurai to Tiruchi is 130 km and Tiruchi to Chennai is 320 km. Okay. So children, look at this. Both the numbers are having 3-digit values. The 3-digit values are ones, tens and hundreds. Okay. Ones, tens and hundred. First write the Sita's cousin travelled from Madurai to Tiruchi, that is 130 kilometers. Here the ones place value is 0, tens place value is 3 and the hundred place value is 1. Okay, ma? So 0, 3 and 1. And the Sita's cousin travelled from Tiruchi to Chennai is 320 km. Here the ones place value is 0, tens place value is 2 and the hundred place value is 3. Okay. 0, 2 and 3. So what do you want to do next? To find the total distance? Yes, you have to add these two numbers. Okay. So first you have to add the numbers in the ones place value. Okay, ma? Here the ones place values are 0. Both the number is 0. So you can get the answer 0. Okay. When 0 is added to any number, we get the same number as the sum. Okay, ma? The 0 is added to any number, we can get the same number as the sum. If the 0 is added to 1, you can get 1 as the answer. If the 0 is added to 5, we can get the 5 as the answer. Okay. But here the 0 is added to 0, so we can get the 0 as the answer. Next you have to add the values in the tens place. Here the bigger number is 3, so you have to keep 3 in mind and take 2 finger 3 after 4, 5. Okay, so write 5 in tens place, and next you have to add the values in the hundred place. Here the bigger number is 3 and the smaller number is 1. Okay, so you have to keep 3 in mind and take one finger 3 after 4. Okay ma? So the total distance travelled by Sita's cousins from Madurai to Chennai is 450 kilometer. Okay ma? So the total distance covered by Sita's cousins from Madurai to Chennai is 450 kilometer. Okay children? Okay children. In today's class we learnt the addition of 2-digit number and 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay? So first, the 2-digit numbers have two values, that is ones and tens. First add the ones place value, then next add the tens place value and find the total. Okay ma? And also we learnt the word problem related to 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Okay children? Okay ma, this is the end of today's class. See you in the next class. Bye and happy learning.